Maybe you go to the Arab world, the value maybe not to lose weight. Maybe it's another value that they like. Maybe to help people or So maybe that value is more than just to force them to lose weight. Maybe they kata, why I want to lose weight? I'm healthy. So sometimes you need to find the value. That's why you need to learn this. If you don't create the right value, sometimes you will always be frustrated. Apa nak orang ni gemuk? Aku nak tolong dia tak mau. Because the value that you give to him is not what he wants. He may not want to lose weight. Yeah, that's why dia kata you have to listen to people to understand what they want. Some people they are fat, but maybe he needs money to help somebody else. So kalau you punya pitch kat dia, do you want to earn money? Yes, I need the money. Dia tak fikir pasal weight loss.
Kita kena differentiate sama ada diperlukan yang untuk lose weight.
You must listen to them. Bukan differentiate. Listen to understand what they want.
Macam mana kita nak datang
Talk to them. Hey, how are you? Be friend to them. Ini yang culture kita ada. Kita kena bercakap dengan orang, find out what they want, always listening. That is hand. Then you tahulah apa you nak offer kat dia.
Dah bayar RM100.
Kalau you offer